Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unpackaging the G.Skill Ripjaws V 8GB RAM stick. On the front of the package, we can see the RAM stick itself through this clear plastic molded packaging. There's the G.Skill Ripjaws V branding on the top, and on the bottom we can see that it is compatible for Intel protocols. On the back of the package, we have a sticker right here that has some importing and manufacturing information up top, and over here we have all the details to get in touch with the customer care. Over here we have a little description of the product, basically stating that this is the latest DDR4 memory designed for maximum performance and compatibility, and it has also been tested thoroughly by G.Skill. Over here we have some of the warranty related information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is a G.Skill sticker and the RAM stick itself. As we can see, it has a black color theme, and the jacket has been quite flamboyantly designed in a very gamer centric way. It wouldn't look out of place in a gaming rig. Over here we have the sticker with the full name of the product, which is G.Skill Ripjaws V. Up there above the 5 we can see that it is a DDR4 memory stick, which we already knew. Over here is some G.Skill branding as well, and on the back we have a sticker with some information that we didn't mention earlier, which includes the serial number and a clock speed of 3200 MHz. That's about it when it comes to the unpackaging of the G.Skill Ripjaws V 8GB RAM stick. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.